That is off my mind real quick. And I'm going to stick to tax debt, right? And tax debt only. So, let's say, well, my top frame is that the government, the government, which is the richest people in the land, or we made them government regardless of whatever, or they became government, why not? Well, they're the richest. So they impose taxes and whatnot. And based on whatever money you make, you're supposed to pay a certain amount of tax or whatever profit. So if you can pay these profits, if you can pay these taxes, to seize your business or to fine you and all that kind of extra stuff, right? But then the government themselves, they created programs for people to, resolve these tax debt with fraction of what they owe. So I came out with a program that can do all the calculation, make it right, and all of that. Which of course is simple, but the government have the whole formula and whatnot for you to do, to follow. Say you owe $100 based on how much you got in the bank, the asset, or how much your home costs and all of that. To do all the math and it come out like, oh, okay, you owe $100, we're gonna take $20 from you. We're gonna help you out. We're gonna look out for you, son. Go ahead, you got it. So now you got $80 left, right? Let's say you had $100 to give, and they're like, all right, give her $80, give her $20 instead. Now you got $80 left. So my program, first thing it does is that it help you to get that $80, to negotiate with them and all the way to get that $80. Then the next part is that, all right, now I got $80. What do I do with it? Now the concept in my mind is to use our debt to build wealth, right? Let's use the debt to build wealth. So this example is just simple. So now you get $80 back. Now that $80 is technically debt. According to the government, it's debt, and we accept that in the community we live in. So now you got that money back. You got free $80 sitting down somewhere. I would like for us to pay that forward, right? Pay that forward. Not go give that $80 to somebody and like, oh, let that go $80 I get from profit. But take $20 or that $80. Use it and create the same business that I created, that I have. Go on there, log on it, get the product, spread the word, or spread it to your sister, your cousin, and listen, I was able to get my debt, my $100 debt reduced to $20. But I use $20 to be able to get information or to be able to share this to you guys, right? Only thing I'm asking you to do is that I'm going to give you this information, share it with somebody else, right? Now, the wealth that we're building, people keep talking about generational wealth. I'm looking at it as universal wealth, right? Like global wealth or earthly wealth, wherein now you save 20, you use $20 to buy equipment or to set up or to teach people or to tell it, to spread the word and whatnot. Or you're spreading the word to them. You're like, hey, let's go do this. You're telling 10, 20 people around you in your network, right? You go ahead and just sign up for that. Now you already got $40 saving that you already gained. That $40 you can reinvest it in plenty of different things. All right, or you can still use that if the $20 that you used to go ahead and spread the word around, you get money back on that. Because if you use the software that I created, you'll be able to sell that product to people on your own by yourself, that they can use it and build their own own market, their own work from home tax resolution software just by themselves. Then that people, or those people, will go ahead and spread it to the network, to the people around them. All right, there's a $7 billion industry. All right, the IRS, 14 million people owe the IRS every year. That money is our own money that we work for. And like, okay, you made a little bit too much, you owe. But hey, you my boy, my son, come on, like, pay a little bit. We're not utilizing that opportunity. If we utilize that opportunity, we'll get most of our tax money back and be able to build on it and build wealth on it. You can use that money, buy bonds. If you don't want to do business, do anything with it. Spread the word so everybody around you can benefit instead of everybody around you looking up to you. So I don't like that term, generational wealth anymore. I'm thinking about universal wealth. And imagine how when it's spread from friends and neighbors and whatnot, how big it could be. Let's build universal wealth. 5ebusiness.com is building universal wealth.